Hello guys, my name is Mukesh. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create organization tree. So I have logged in as Curtis Petty and will go to my client group, and here you will go to workforce structures. Here you will find the object manage organization tree. Yeah, so I have already organization trees created here. So let me tell you that if you are using the recruiting cloud, so organization tree is a must. We need to have a one organization tree, and that should be enabled in the enterprise recruiting and candidate experience information area. So here we would go and we'll create a new one. We'll go to action, create tree. We'll provide the test or tree, and in code just make sure when you are typing in code area, so there should not be space between or and tree. So you can provide the underscore here. If there would be a space, so somewhere I have seen there are many issues. It is causing that it want to be appearing in the requisition area. So values will not be coming there. So it's better we should not put uh, any space in the code field anywhere in the fusion. So that is a practice everybody should follow. So I'll go and we'll click on the next. Here we don't have to do anything, just we'll click on the next and just submit it. So here you can see org tree has been created. Now we have to create a version. So we will add the tree version. So it's okay, you can provide the same name here. That's not an issue. You can provide the effective start date. Click next, and here you can see. Now here you can add the multiple nodes here. So I'll just click on the add and we'll click search. So you would be having some organization hierarchies uh, in your instance. So from there you can see we have the various legal employer, business unit, payroll, statutory unit, business unit, legal employer, departments. So based on that you can take anything, and even there would be enterprise as well. If I'll just scroll down, so okay, it would be anywhere. So this is the way you can create this one. If you are selecting anything, add tree node, it has been created. Same way you can add the uh, child of this one. If it is a legal employer, you can add the business unit and then department. So like that you can create the organization tree as per the structure in your organization. Then we'll go and we'll submit it. So confirmation tree version over tree for tree over tree created successfully because we have given the same name. So okay, so it is in the draft stage. So we'll go and we need to active this one. Just before active, even it is active, that's not an issue. Just make sure that in the flattening you have to go under row flattening as well. This is the practice we should follow. Else sometimes you know what happens, you create the organization tree, you enable it into the enterprise recruiting and candidate experience information, although its values are not going to appear. So that is an issue. So because of that we want all the values to be appeared in the requisition. So for that we do this task online flattening. We don't have to go to the drop down here. No, just we have to click on the online flattening, and we have to wait till it's completing 100%. Yes, we'll click OK, click done. Now we will go and we'll set the status active, and here also you have to click online audit before activating this one. Click done. So here you can see your tree or OR tree has been activated. Thank you so much everybody. Thank you so much.